Imagine walking into a meeting room, and instead of being greeted by a bland, uninspiring whiteboard, you're surrounded by a sleek, interactive display that seamlessly integrates with your favorite collaboration tools. That's the promise of the Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact. But does it deliver on this vision, or is it just another overhyped tech gadget? Let's find out. The truth is, the current collaboration landscape is riddled with inefficiencies and obstacles. With so many tools, apps, and services, it's challenging to ensure that everyone's on the same page. We're constantly bombarded with emails, messages, and notifications, making it difficult to have meaningful, in-person conversations. This is where the Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact comes in, a cutting-edge, interactive display designed to bring people together and make collaboration more productive, engaging, and enjoyable. When I first unboxed the Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact, I was immediately struck by its sleek, modern design. The 27-inch touchscreen display is surrounded by a sturdy metal frame, giving it a premium feel that's both sleek and durable. The device's weight is perfectly balanced, making it easy to move and manipulate. But let's not get too caught up in aesthetics. What really matters is usability. In terms of user experience, the Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact exceeds expectations. The touchscreen interface is incredibly responsive, allowing for smooth and intuitive navigation. The on-screen keyboard is a welcome feature, making it easy to type and edit documents without the need for a separate keyboard or mouse. The device is also remarkably easy to set up, with a comprehensive software suite that guides you through the process. Now, let's dive deeper into the features that set the Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact apart from the competition. First and foremost, the device boasts an impressive range of collaboration tools, including instant messaging, video conferencing, and file sharing. But what truly sets it apart is its ability to integrate with popular services like Google Calendar, Microsoft Teams, and Slack. This means that you can seamlessly import and share content, schedules, and meetings with colleagues and team members, making it easier to stay organized and on task. The Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact also boasts an impressive range of content creation tools, including a built-in whiteboard, note-taking app, and presentation software. These tools allow you to create engaging, interactive presentations that captivate and educate your audience. But what really matters is the device's ability to adapt and evolve. With regular software updates, you can stay ahead of the curve and take advantage of the latest features and functionalities. In real-world testing, the Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact proved itself to be a versatile and reliable tool. We were impressed by its ability to seamlessly integrate with popular collaboration tools, making it easy to share and import content. The device also performed well in terms of performance and battery life. We didn't experience any lag or freezing, even when running multiple apps and services simultaneously. But, as with any tech product, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, the Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact offers an incredible range of features and functionalities, making it an excellent choice for businesses and organizations looking to upgrade their collaboration game. The device is also remarkably easy to set up and use, even for those without extensive tech expertise. However, there are some areas where the Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact falls short. The device's webcam could be improved, with some users reporting issues with brightness and clarity. Additionally, the device's software suite, while comprehensive, can be a bit overwhelming for those new to collaboration tools. Finally, the device's price point may be a deterrent for some users, especially those on a tighter budget. In comparison to other options on the market, the Smart SIP-727 Smart Board Mini 727 Interact stands out for its impressive range of collaboration tools and content creation features. While some devices may offer similar features, The smartboard's seamless integration with popular services and its robust software suite make it a top contender in the market. In conclusion, the Smart SIP-727 Smartboard Mini 727 Interact is a powerful, intuitive, and versatile collaboration tool that belongs in every meeting room, classroom, and workspace. With its sleek design, seamless integration with popular tools, and robust content creation features, it's an excellent choice for businesses, organizations, and educators looking to upgrade their collaboration game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a tech newbie, the Smart SIP-727 Smartboard Mini 727 Interact is sure to impress. If you're ready to take your collaboration game to the next level, the Smart SIP-727 Smartboard Mini 727 Interact is the perfect tool for the job. With its impressive range of features and user-friendly interface, it's an investment that's sure to pay off in the long run. So why wait? Upgrade your meeting room, classroom, or workspace today with the Smart SIP-727 Smartboard Mini 727 Interact. Your colleagues, students, and team members will thank you.